So we have a crazy goal today of trying to, in 5 minutes, get an entire HIPAA compliance training platform set up for our employees so that our health organization can train our workforce in our HIPAA compliance protocols, rules. Let's see if we can do it. So to build this full HIPAA compliance training platform, we are going to start on this website, knowqo.com. The link to it is in the description, so you can go there and follow along if you want. We're going to go here to free because we want it to be free. We're going to hit start now. I'm going to say get started. We do want HIPAA compliance training for our team. And now we're going to put in an email. Now we get to organization, right? So our goal here is to have compliance training for our entire organization. So we need to come up with, or not come up with, but write our organization's name. So let's just say that this was Green Hills Dermatology, right? We could put that might be the name of our organization, and maybe we want a logo for it. We could or could not. It's totally up to us. This looks great. Doesn't matter. You can choose whatever you want. So we're going to create our organization. Now here's the last step. This is cool, but what we need is the KnowQo AI here to actually build out our HIPAA compliance training courses for us. So we're going to hit this build here, this build button. And you see it's going to be building the HIPAA course. And next, okay. Oh, we can edit. So we'll talk a little more about editing in a second. Okay, great. So now we can just view your training program. Here we go. We're in it. Boom, HIPAA basics. So what this is here, it's our certificate, and these are our sub courses that we would want our team members to take, right? And so we could go in here, modify them as needed. We can do that in a second, or maybe even in a future video. Has a required exam, we can change that. But here's the important thing, right? We have our team members, and we need to add our team members now because we need to see if they are compliant, right? We want them to do the training so they can become compliant. So we go here. All we need to do, it's very simple, is add a user. So we're going to say maybe add me, right? We're going to say Grantley. That's my name, Grantley. Here we go. And now if we come back, oh, cool. One of my employees here has been added. Now we might want to go to another one. Maybe we want to add our employee, Amy. And we want to add her as well so she can do this training. We'll add her here. Again, great. Sure enough, Amy is added. So that's really good. It's very easy for our employees to get logged in. It'll automatically send them login links to those work emails. If we want to make it even a little easier, we can send them an email reminder. The email reminders will attach a login link to them. You could just say, hi everyone, login link below. Please complete training ASAP. Training ASAP. You can send it to them. This would be from, again, your work email. You could say your name is Joe Smith, maybe, or whatever. You send it along, boom, boom, boom. And that's all sent to them. So they'll get invited and get activated. Now they'll be in here, right? Completing the courses, starting with why it matters, and security, privacy. Now, here's the last thing I'll say. What we want to do here potentially, let's say we get into why it matters. And we say, well, what is HIPAA? Maybe we want to say HIPAA and we want to tweak it, right? We want to say, okay, HIPAA is a federal law. Here at Green Hills Dermatology, it means everything to us. Again, not sure why you'd write that, but you could. We'd say publish that. Now that's updated. And again, here are basic quizzes. It gives you this scaffolding. But if you wanted to change it, which of the following is the goals of HIPAA at Green Hills Derm? You could change it, publish it, and then the course is totally yours. Again, it gives you everything you need. It's all the basic core stuff of HIPAA, but it allows you to customize it. And if you want to go really crazy and make your own certificate programs, you could do that. But again, Our goal was to get this done in 5 minutes, and I believe we have now achieved that. I will see all of you in the next video.